Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I am Muhammad Mujamil Haq, senior assistant teacher, Police High School, Kumilla. Today I am going to take a class on English first paper for class 7. The previous class I discussed about Unit 4, Lesson 6, the Homemaker 1. Today I discuss the lessons Unit 4, Lesson 7, the Homemaker 2. Please open your book, page 36. Dear students, it is a reading text or reading skill based lesson. So now go to section A, read and try to find out why Nazma and Jonal are quarreling. The previous class you know about Jonal's family, Nazma and Jonal. Today at first I read the text, you listen very attentively, then you do some text. Ready? One day Jonal looked for work in his village and in the next village. But his luck did not favor him. He was angry with anybody. When he was back home, Nazma failed to serve his meal. That made him shout at Nazma. I had a severe headache and fever, said Nazma. Jonal was very trembling with anger. The cooking is almost done. Wash your hands and feet. I will bring the food soon, she said. Soon it will make ages, Jonal shouted wildly. What do you do the whole day at home? I work and earn money to run the family. You cannot even cook my meals in time. I don't earn money, but I also run the family. I do all the work at home, cooking, cleaning, washing, husking, taking care of the children, everything, said Nazma. Remember, you work for money, but my work in the home can make the family stick together and make it happy. So both types of work are equally important. Never before has Jonal thought about these things. He feels guilty. Never before has he looked at Nazma with so much admiration and gratitude. Dear students, in these lessons there are some new words. Look at the word at first. Favor. F-A-V-O-U-R. F-A-V-O-U-R. Favor. In Bangla, অনুগ্রহ করা. That means support. Support or assist. Next, headache. H-A-D-A-C-H. Very common word. My headache, matha ব্যথা. Sometimes we feel headache. Migraine, meaning migraine. Migraine, the pain of head. Willy, প্রচন্ড ভাবে. Very roughly. Only very roughly. Stick. STI, stick. অটুট থাকা, অটুট থাকা, এটা guilty, 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 দোষী। When we do something wrong, then we are guilty. Responsible, responsible. Then admiration, admiration, শ্রদ্ধাবোধ, appreciation অথবা show respect to someone, appreciation, appreciation. At last, gratitude, gratitude, কৃতজ্ঞতা, কৃতজ্ঞতা। To be grateful to someone, that means gratefulness. Gratefulness. Look at the board. Here are the new words and their meaning in Bangla and also in English. Students, as it is a reading test, so I want to read it again with Bengali meaning also. Then you should take the best answer. There are some multiple choice question. You should take the best answer. I read again and you can read also. One day Jonal looked for work in his village and in the next village. একদিন জয়নাল তার নিজের গ্রামে এবং পাশের গ্রামে কাজ খুঁজতেছিল। But his luck did not favor him. তার লাক সেদিন ফেভারে ছিল, অনুগ্রহ করে নাই। He was angry. সে খুব রাগান্বিত হলো। Angry with everybody. সবার সাথে সে রাগ করা শুরু করলো, কারণ কাজ নাই। When he was back home, when he was returned home, Nazma failed to serve his meal. Normally, when he returned home, his wife Nazma served meal, but that day she could not serve, as that made he shouted at Nazma. So সে নাজমার প্রতি খুব চিৎকার করলো। I had a severe headache and a fever, said Nazma. নাজমা বললো তার একটা কি মাথা ব্যথা ছিল, জ্বর ছিল। প্রতিদিন সে ঠিক মতো দেয়, কিন্তু এই দুই কারণে সে দিতে পারে। Jonal was trembling with anger. সে রাগে থরথর করে কাঁপছিল। The cooking is almost done. রান্না প্রায় শেষ। Wash your hands and feet. I will bring the food soon, she said. সে বললো তুমি হাত মুখ দাও, আমি তাড়াতাড়ি খাবার নিয়ে আসছি। কিন্তু না, সে একটু রাগান্বিত, যেহেতু সে কাজ করতে পারে নাই। Soon it will take ages, Jonal shouted wildly. সে প্রচন্ড রেগে বলল, এটা মানে চিরকাল লাগবে, অনেকদিন লাগবে, এরকম অনাদিকাল লাগবে, অনন্তকাল লাগবে আনতে। What do you do the whole day at home? তুমি সারাদিন ঘরে কি করো? I work and earn money to run the family. You can not even cook my meals in time. যে আমি কাজ করি, টাকা রোজগার করি, সংসার চালাই, তুমি ঘরে থেকে রান্নাটা করতে পারো না। তখন I don't earn money, but I also run the family. I do all the work at home, cooking, cleaning, washing, husking, taking care of the children, everything, said Nazma. তখন নাজমা ওর ছেলে কথা বলে, সে বলল আমি টাকা রোজগার করি না, কিন্তু আমি সংসারটা চালাই, আমি সব কাজ করি বাড়িতে, আমি রান্না করি, পরিষ্কার করি, ধৌত করি, তারপরে ধান মারাই করি, বাচ্চাদের টেকিং করি, টেক কেয়ার করি, যত্ন নিই, সবকিছু করি। Remember your work for money, but my work in the home can make the family stick together and make it happy. মনে রাখো যে তুমি কাজ করো টাকা উপার্জন করি, কিন্তু আমি যেই কাজ করি ফ্যামিলিটাকে একসাথে অটুট রাখি এবং সবাইকে সুখী রাখি। So both types of work are equally important. কাজে তোমার কাজ আমার কাজ উভয় কাজই সংসারের জন্য ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, ভেরি এসেন্সিয়াল, খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। নেভার বিফোর হ্যাজ জয়নাল থট অ্যাবাউট দিস ফিলিংস। জয়নাল পূর্বে এখনো এইভাবে সে চিন্তা করে নাই। হি ফিলস গিলটি, সে নিজেকে গিলটি মনে করতো। সো হোয়াট শি feels very guilty. Never before has he looked at Nazma with so much admiration and gratitude. This time she looked at Nazma very pitiful, very pretty, very soft corner, and with respect. So সে তার খুব শ্রদ্ধাবোধ করলো এবং তার প্রতি কৃতজ্ঞ হলো। So dear students, if you need, you read the text again and take the best answer. Here are 8 questions. And you read the good text and answer take the best answer. Question number 1. Journal was very angry with everybody because here are 3 options. A. He was looking for work in his village and in the next village. B. He was angry and Nazma could not cook food at the proper time. He did not find any work in his village and in the next village. I think you can choose the best answer. Yes, it is C. Then number 2. Joynal shouted loudly at Nazma because she could not give him food in time. She had a bad headache. She forgot to cook the food in time. Yes, it is A. Nazma is suffering from she could not give food in time. Time moto she dite pare nai. Number 3. It will take ages. The underlined word mean Nazma is suffering from old age. A very long time will be needed. Journal is willing to wait long. Yes, it is number B. A very long time will be needed. Question number 4. Who should run the family? Joynal, Nazma? C. Joynal and Nazma. Obviously C. Joynal and Nazma. What can make a family happy? Money and housework, work that Nazma does at home, work that Joynal does to earn money. Yes, money and housework. Number 6. All members in a family should do their individual work separately, live together and support each other, earn and spend money equally. Yes, number B. Live together and support each other. Number 7. What do you think Joynal should do from now? He should work harder to earn more money, not waste any time doing housework, help Nazma with her work when he can. Yes, number C. Help Nazma with her work when he can. Last one, number 8. Why does Joynal finally look at Nazma with deep admiration and gratitude? Because he is not sorry for what he has done to Nazma. B. He has understood the value of sharing work in the family. Nazma willingly do all the housework in the family. Of course, number B. He has understood the value of sharing work in the family. So students, I write the correct answer on the board and you should check with the answer. I only write the number of the question. Take the best answer. Take the best answer. 1. C. This is right. He did not find any work in his village and the next village. 2. Joel shouted louder at Najma because A. She could not give food in time. She could not give food in time. সময় মতো খাবার দিতে পারে নাই। Number 3. It will take ages. The underlined word means ages. Yes, a very long time will be needed. B. A very long time will be needed. 4. Who should run the family? Of course, C. Jainul and Nazma. Jainul and Nazma. 5. What can make a family happy? Money and housework. Okay. Money and housework. Housework. 6. All members in a family should live together and support each other. B. Live together and support each other. Support each other. What should you think Janan should do from now? Help Nazma with her work when he can. C. Help Nazma with her work. With her work when he can. Last one. Why does Janal finally look at Nazma with deep admiration and gratitude? Because he has understood the value of sharing work in the family. B. He has understood the value of sharing work in the family. That's all. Please check the answer with your khata or with your answer. Now we go to section C. It is a project work. I read the instruction. Think of a family you know in your neighborhood. তোমার বাড়ির পাশে প্রতিবেশীর একটা ফ্যামিলি যেটাকে তুমি চিনো। Answer the following question and write a short conclusion about the family. How many members are there in a family? Get each member's name, age, work. Do the family members share each other works? Describe who shares what, where, and who with. This is a project work. As you are now staying at home, so you cannot do any project work. You cannot go outside or share with others. It is a group work also. So I want to give a simple homework. I want to give a paragraph about a family in your neighborhood, but near your neighborhood. So, write your khata. Can I erase this? Yes. Write the paragraph by imagine or thinking. Write a paragraph about a family in your neighborhood. তোমার আশেপাশে অনেক ফ্যামিলি আছে, তোমার পাশের ঘরও থাকতে পারে, এরকম একটা ফ্যামিলি সম্পর্কে I know that you learn a paragraph about your family in class 6. So now you can write a paragraph about a family, but not your own. It is in your neighborhood. তোমার প্রতিবেশীর একটা পরিবার সম্পর্কে একটা প্যারাগ্রাফ লাগবে। So now we are at the end of the lessons. I want to say something about the present crisis in our country or whole world, COVID-19 pandemic in Bangladesh. We should stay at home and stay safe. If we go outside when necessary, we use, of course, mask. We must use it and go outside. We should maintain social distance and we wash our hands with soap or hand sanitizer for 20 seconds several times in a day. We should eat protein, vitamins. We should take rest, exercise, and we should pray Almighty Allah for saving us from these situations. Thanks all. Goodbye.